Hello everyone, this is Carter Woetzel with Shade Protocol. Today we will be talking about an array of privacy-preserving DeFi applications built on Secret Network. Our mission at Shade Protocol is to bring global connectivity to privacy-preserving DeFi. Fundamentally, we believe that privacy is the key to unlocking the full value of a decentralized future. Currently in DeFi, transactions are public, balances are public, and smart contract metadata are public. This exposes users to unique risks such as front running or price movements to attempt to liquidate folks on lending products. And so Shade Protocol's whole thesis is, can we build simple tools that ultimately make a more powerful you, that can protect you, respect your right to privacy, respect your sovereignty, while ultimately still having deep liquidity and an excellent DeFi experience. So the four problems we observed when we set out to build Shade Protocol is that right now it's a very fractured application ecosystem out there. For every single use case like lending, trading, stablecoin, payments, and derivatives, each of these categories, they have a bunch of different tokens. And for each of these tokens, there's a standalone website. And for users, it's extremely fractured and confusing. And not only is the user experience fractured, but the liquidity is also fractured. On top of all of this, too, that fundamental problem that is really the flagship of Shade Protocol is that there's total transparency right now on the Ethereums of the world, the Solanas of the world. You can't have DeFi without some form of granular privacy, because privacy is important for consumers. If you're a business that is trying to pay employees privately, or if you have different, let's say there was commerce happening on your store and on-chain, your competitor can look at when a customer bought your product, how much they bought your product for. These are fundamental friction points that Web3 has to overcome, not only for payments and transactions, but also for the DeFi primitives that we've all known to love with lending and trading. And so the Shade Protocol solution is really four pieces. What if you had a single value accrual token for all your DeFi primitives? What if you had a single website to unify all the key verbs that you know and love and care about with lending and trading and stablecoins? What if you had privacy for transactions and your balances? And on top of it all, if you were able to bring all these pieces together, you would end up with a lot of enhanced utilities and capabilities due to the interconnected nature of all the applications under the Shade Protocol umbrella. And so that's what Shade Protocol is. It's this suite of products. We have Silk, the stablecoin. We've already launched bonds and staking derivatives. And shortly, we'll also be launching lending as well as a decentralized exchange that includes a stable swap. One day, Shade Protocol will have all of these key primitives represented on this graphic. Silk is the flagship product of Shade Protocol. It's a privacy-preserving global stablecoin pegged to a basket of global currencies and commodities. Silk is permissionless, over-collateralized, multi-chain compatible with the power of IBC through Secret Network, and ultimately it really represents a pushing of the Web3 boundaries with stablecoins. In addition to Silk, we also have ShadeSwap coming, which is going to feature protocol-owned liquidity, privacy, improved gas efficiency, and some very new unique takes on different curves that liquidity providers and market makers can put together. Shade Protocol has already launched Stake Secret, which is a privacy-preserving liquid staking derivative on Secret Network. You'll be seeing more of this being featured in the future on ShadeSwap. And Shade Bonds also launched in September of 2022. All the bonds to date have really sold out and done phenomenal. And this gives Shade Protocol a path to protocol-owned liquidity. Finally, why should you care about Shade? Fundamentally, Shade is this governance token and rewards sharing token that has a distinct amount of utility to govern the DAO and to ultimately earn rewards for stakers over the long haul. And so as every single new app is launched, these rewards will be shareable back to the stakers that help support the protocol. The Shade Protocol tech stack, it uses Secret Network, it uses SNP24s, we use Band Protocol and Supra, and we use CosmWasm with Rust. Shade has seen really good growth, so be sure to follow us on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord, and join the Shade Protocol community. Have a wonderful day.